everyone, welcome back with another video of Cybrosys. Today we are going to discuss about a feature which is called share availabilities that you guys can see inside the calendar module. So talking about share availabilities, it's simply sharing your available slot or time to a specific or a particular person. So let's say an instance, if you're an employee, you know that sometimes you cannot check the availabilities of your clients. At that time, instead of scratching on your head, you can simply share your available slots, your customer or a client, and let them pick. So let's see how we can do that. Here you can see the dashboard of calendar module and it's a weekly view, right? And here you can see the feature which is called share availabilities. Simply click on that and you can see the change. So a partial part is in gray color, which means you cannot share the availabilities which is in past stage, but you can share the availabilities which is in future stage. So for selecting the availabilities, just click on the time slot and drag. So you can simply create the available slots like this. And if you want to remove anything, you can simply click on the trash button like this. Okay, it's removed. So after selecting your available slots, just click on copy link. So once you copied the link, you can simply share this using a mail or through a mail or a chat to your customer or a client. Alright. And here we have another option which is called configure. So just click on and here you will get a wizard which you can share the availabilities and we can create the appointment. Okay, so appointment title is basically Michelle Admin, my availabilities. And here you can fill up all the other informations like location, allowing guest, introduction message, extra message on confirmation. And after fill up all of that, you can simply save and copy the particular link. And you can share this to your customer. So I'm not going to do this. Let's remove. And let's click on that. And here, near to the share availabilities, here you can see a drop down arrow. So let's look at there. So you can see some configure options there. Like first we have proposed lot, which is same to share availabilities. You can simply select the availabilities and you can copy the link and share to your customer. And we have another option which is called share calendar. If you guys need to share your entire calendar to someone, you can simply click on share calendar and it's copied. You can share with the client or customer if you need. Let's move to the next option which is called custom link. So you can create a manual or a custom link using this. So click on here and you will get a small wizard. You need to specify the website. After specifying that, you need to specify the appointment type. So let me specify this as dental care. Once you're done with that, here you will have another option which is assigned to. So you need to select one of them and you can simply copy the link and close this. So you can simply share this link to your customer or any other persons like that. So I'm not going to do that. Let's remove this. And here we have 3 more options, which is a template. It's a predefined appointments like dental care, online cooking lesson, interviews availabilities are predefined appointments. You can also share this particular thing to another person or a client simply. So this is basically sharing availabilities. So I hope you all understand this. If you like this video, do subscribe, share with your friends and have a nice day. Thank you.